Right, good morning guys. Today we are in a very special car. It's the M4 DTM Edition. Oh, it's fucking how many? This I think there was 200. Like 200 units. So it's basically only 200 units available in worldwide, and this is one of them. Fucking epic. Woo. Thank you so much, Nicholas.
No worries, bro.
Oh, you're amazing.
Juba only, man.
Yes. Thanks for the poison. Thanks for making me work harder.
If the poison works.
Nice seats. I love the seats.
Oh, the seats, huh?
Yeah, he hugs you
With the right body, Bobby will hate it.
Yes, this is only for. Okay, how do I adjust? How do I go in? Okay.
You can adjust the steering in also. Yeah.
Okay. I can't do it. Can I elevate? Like,
I'm not sure. I couldn't find anything to.
Yeah.
I think it's manual.
The mean?
I think you can elevate it, but I think it's you have to manually do it.
Oh, like edges
Yeah, you have to manually do it.
Oh.
With Allen key.
Oh, okay.
It's like,
Never mind. Screw it.
Full mechanical shit.
Alright guys, let's go. Go right now. Wow. So the stock power for this car, I mean the regular M4 is 444. This one, I didn't do much digging guys, but I'll put the actual top figures, the power figures in this car. So this car is on sale at Wheelers Gate. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the details in the video for you to get this car from Wheelers Gate. And Nicholas, this is a 20. Which year is this?
I believe it's 2016-17.
2016. Okay.
Thereabouts. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. And I assume it's only one of two or one of three in Malaysia.
I can't remember how many units, but all the current available units are sitting with Wheelers Gate.
I see.
There's also 2 GTS there.
Wow. Yes. But this is more rare than a GTS.
More rare, yes.
Yes. There's I think 800 or 900. 700 GTS.
This is 200.
That's right. Woo, suspension. I'm assuming this is a passive setup.
Passive.
Passive.
Suspension is passive.
Woo! Wait, pulls. So this car is equipped with a roll cage behind, so the car is super rigid. Oh my god. Oh, it pulls super hard, guys.
500 horses.
500, that's right. No, 550. So the regular stock S55, 550. The DTM, I'm not sure if they have tuned it. Yeah, the regular S55 in the competition and all is 550.
60, I'm not sure. To be honest.
Yeah, 550. The power, the competition is 444, but the DTM I need to check if they tuned it. The GTS, it is produced more horsepower. So currently, what mode we are on?
We are on normal mode. This is a full Sport Plus. But still with traction now. No?
Yes. No. Let's leave the traction. Insane. Nice. The car sits very well, but it's very harsh.
Yeah.
It's very harsh. It's not for the novice driver. Like if you brakes are good. Okay, so the thing about the F55 is it's not the best sounding engine. It's a unique. Some people like it, some people don't. I personally don't really like how it sounds, but it definitely does perform. So it's the S55 is a twin turbocharged engine. The gearbox is the DCT 7-speed. Oh, suspension.
Dedication.
Yes. So guys, if you can't live with very harsh jarring rides, I don't suggest getting this car. This car will punish you in our roads, in our Malaysian roads.
One comfort by i7.
Yes, right. That's right. Wow. This car's rapid. Oh, it's Gurpa. Gurpa.
Yep.
Alright guys, I'm sorry I can't talk because I'm just having too much of fun. I'm paying attention. Oh my god, wow, the throttle. Yeah, it's definitely more insane than your regular M4, that's for sure. Nice. Suspension, you literally feel all the bumps, humps, the road imperfections. Yeah, this car is built for hardcore. Is this the stock wheels like
Oh no, these are aftermarket.
aftermarket? That's right. So I don't remember it coming with this.
Yeah,
Okay.
just for the fun of it.
Yeah.
I mean, the stocks are still there.
Yes. Alright. Just gonna go to the left and change the camera angle. Ooh, absolutely insane, guys, this car. Super. Okay, let's go.